What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Shelby Mo here, back with another video. Today we're going to do a full walk around of a bunch of cars here in Japan. This is the first official car vlog in Japan. We are at a car show here in up in Misawa, Japan. We're going to do a full walk around of a bunch of cars so you guys can take a look and see how the Japanese car scene is, especially up here in northern Japan. Alright, so first things first, check out this RX-7, yo. This is freaking sick. This is a Nissan Skyline, and then this is I believe a Toyota, because it says TRD Sports right in the front end of it. But we'll go ahead and do a full walk around, kind of show you guys a glimpse of all these freaking awesome cars. Alright, so yeah, it's a Toyota. I don't know what kind of Toyota it is. If you know what it is, comment down below. But check it out, yo. Like, bro, I love the JDM. I love JDM cars, especially like tuner cars. Like, these cars are freaking sick. Like, this one doesn't really have, it doesn't say Skyline in the back. It might not be a Skyline. I'm not sure. It might be a GTT. It might not be a GTR. This is an RX-7. This is the real deal right here. He's got the FD RX-7, I believe. This is the one that Han had, I think. Similar to what Han had in Tokyo Drift. This is sick. Can't really show the interior because it's so dark, especially with the shade, but wow, that is sick. Alright, here we go, guys. We're in the main area. Check it out. Lamborghini Aventador Roadster here in Japan. We got a LP700-4 Lamborghini Aventador. Check it out. Looking good, looking good. Hopefully the music in the background does not cause me to get copyright strike, but it's all good. Gotta do it for the YouTube. So sick. V12 LP700-4. And we got a Lamborghini Gallardo right here. It's all, remember, we're in Japan, so this is a Japanese spec right here. This is so sick. LP700. That's sick. 700. Excuse me. Gallardo. So I'm just gonna do a glimpse of walkarounds because I'm not gonna stay around one car, so that way I don't drain more time out of my battery. 355, 430. Ergon Performante. And we also have an air show going on here too, so we'll show you that as well. Got an I-430 Scuderia right here. McLaren 720S. Maserati Quattroporte with the OGVA. You guys have to see this. Okay, the F350 is another Ferrari. It's cool, and it's like also like spec'd out with Japanese spec. But you guys have to see this. It's RB26 Fair Lady. I believe it's a Fair Lady, and this thing is freaking sick. Like, holy crap! Carbon hood, carbon wide body fender flares, carbon mirror caps. It's got carbon everywhere. Look at that motor, dude. RB26. Oh my god, bro. You don't see this in America at all. And he's got these custom wheels. I don't even know what they are. I don't even know what kind of tire he's on. He's bagged, bro. He's bagged. So freaking sick, dude. Love the stickers. Carbon door. Look at that interior, bro. So nice. Carbon fiber right here too. Wow. That's sick, dude. He's got his kit right here. Made in the USA. I like to see that. Let's go, America, baby. Wow. Let's get a subwoofer I think in the back too. Dude, this is so crazy. Look at that turbo, dude. Single turbo. GR ready. I think that's what it said. Motec. Oh yeah, you already know Motec, bro. Can't mess with them. I love it, man. So I don't know if you guys can read that. You guys can pause and read. I read this like the stamp right there about the engine on the engine brace. That is so cool. I freaking love it. As an American gearhead myself, I respect and love these cars. This is like history itself. Wow. All right, so we're gonna resume. Let's go ahead. So we're next to the, I think that's the Fair Lady. I'm not sure. If you guys know what it is, like comment down below. But this is a Skyline of some sort. We're gonna take a look at this one. I just like, okay, I see like Lamborghinis and Ferraris like all back home in Michigan. I see them left and right, but this, I do not see this in Michigan at all. Like this, like it literally, like I heart this. Like you do not see this in Michigan at all, guys. So I want to spend more time with the Japanese cars, especially the Nissans, the Hondas, the Toyotas, Infinities, you name it, bro. I want to spend more time with it because these cars are very scarce, and we do not see these in America. Nissan overhead cam, Nissan Skyline, dude. This is what Nissan used to be, man. Nissan, please, y'all are doing cool with the 400Z, but come on, man. Like do some redemption with the GTR. Bring it back, man. Bring back the GTR. I want to see more GTR. I want to get a GTR along with the Shelby. But they don't make it no more. And the used ones are going for $100,000. So it's like, it's hard. Sick. I don't know if you guys see the inside or not, bro. We got more. We got a lot of cars, yo. We got a lot of cars to go through. All right, here we go. I don't know. I have no idea what this is. I really don't know what this is. I can't tell because I don't know what that badge is, bro. I generally don't know what this badge is. If you guys know what it is, please comment it down below because I'm not misnaming or mislabeling anything. This is why I have you guys just comment it down below. All right, here we go, y'all. I'm gonna try my best to record without getting copyright striked. But let's get it, bro. We got more cars here. Trying to show you guys everything, but my phone keeps overheating. This is a sign I need to get a camera. This is literally a sign I need to get myself a camera and not use my freaking. I have a iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is a sign from the Lord that I need to get a freaking camera. You guys hear the fighter jets in the background? We're gonna go to them here shortly. Check out the air show too, but these are like all the cars. Dude, I love Japanese cars, man, for this sole reason. Like, look at this shit, bro. Like, this is crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Absolutely insane. Crazy, bro. He got a Kenwood subwoofer in that boy too. I'm gonna have to make this a little quicker because My phone is overheating. I don't know, like when my phone's like shuts off by itself. It doesn't shut off, like it just like stops the video and just says iPhone needs to cool down. And keep in mind, I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max. I don't know what the heck this is, bro. What kind of Nissan is this? Crazy. I don't even know, bro. I respect it though. I respect it. Mazda. I see this back home, bro. We do not need to record this. Actually, I don't see this back at home. It's a wagon. Never mind. Honda Civic? Bro, this thing is sick. Bro, it's like bad. Bro, it's a what? I thought it was Honda Civic, bro. It's a Honda something wagon, bro. Hey, that's crazy, bro. Honda Absolute. That's crazy. Bro, I thought it was a Honda Civic, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't know what this is, bro. Y'all gotta comment down below. Sheesh, you got a sound system in that boy. Wagon R, that's sick. Sick. Bro, what? 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 Maserati Quattroporte. He's trying to rev it. It's quiet, surprisingly. I thought that'd be loud. The Supra sounds good, bro. So I spoke with the owner of the Supra. This thing is apparently supposedly pushing like 800 to the wheel. Dude, that's sick. This sounded good. You guys saw the rev flip. This sounded really good, guys. Listen to that idle. Sheesh. I would love to add a Supra to the fleet for Japanese cars. It's actually not a bad idea. We'll see. We'll see in the future. I do want to get like a drift car, I want to add a Japanese car to the fleet for sure. Might get one out here. We're not sure yet. We'll find out here shortly. Might get either SUV or a car. I'm not sure. But it does snow where I'm at. I'm in Misawa, so it snows out here a lot. And I'm here for work, so I don't know. We'll see. I already got the race car at home, you know. Check this out. My guy's revving a Supra. Sounds good, dude. I like it. I like the pops. It sounds sick. Humvee pickup. Man, I already know you guys would definitely want to get this for sure. No, it's a Japanese-owned Humvee, dude. Oh my god. I thought it was the U.S. government. I thought it was ours. Oh, that's sick, dude. This guy has a Humvee. And it's left-hand drive. Jeez. Bro, look at that. That's so cool. Never know, man. It might be a Japanese one. Oh, yeah. He's got a... he's in the military. That's sick. You versus the guy she told you not to worry about. Hoorah. America, baby. Hoorah. Virginia. crowd. Oh no. Having a rub battle right here with the supercars. Got a lot of people here. Alright, we're having a rap battle right now. We're gonna have the Lamborghini Gallardo go off now. Or no, actually it's the Aventador. It's gonna be the Lamborghini Aventador. We gotta get this. Excuse me. Front and center. Corsa. Yeah, here we go. Shot a flame out. He shot a flame out, hit him. Dude, that's sick. I love that, man. That's one thing. Man, imagine me getting an Aventador with Gentani exhaust. Man, listen, y'all gotta make it happen. So what's funny is that, so I showed the super owner, I can't really show you, but I showed him my key. I had my GT500 keys on me, and I showed him my Mustang. He started going crazy. He's like, oh my God, Cobra, Cobra. I'm like, yes sir, yes sir. Top dog Mustang, baby. You already know what the deal is. But I told him, he's like, ask if it was here. I was like, no, it's in Michigan. The car's at home, so kind of wish it was here. Kind of wish the Shelby was with me, but fortunately, Shelby's gonna have to stay home because I don't want to rack up mileage, and it snows out here, and I don't really have a parking garage or structure out here, so gonna leave the Mustang at home. So, but yeah, guys, this was the initial car show here in Misawa, Japan. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Go ahead and drop a like. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll be sure to get more Japan content for you guys. And of course, it's not like we're here permanently. We're only here for work. But once I am done here, next year, summertime, summertime, I will be home, and we'll be reunited with the Shelby GT500. And we'll be doing a lot more stuff with the Shelby. If you guys made it this far, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.